Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I welcome also all my subscribers and returnees. Welcome to Nana's channel again. Today, I'm not going to sew. I'm just going to talk to you about children's wear. Okay, I think last week I showed you this book, Singer Sewing for Children, and I said we're going to talk about taking the measurement. Okay, let's see. I wanted us to venture into children's wear because we've done a lot of adult wear, ladies wear, so I'm branching to a different area to see, okay, if anybody will be interested in children's wear also. So this is taking the measurement for kids, and be aware that children, you know, they have a bit of tummy, and depending on what size, it could be from newborn up to I think 14, or yeah, up to 14. Okay, so taking measurement is similar like ladies, except that you're scaling it down. And you, as I said, children, they move around a lot, so you have to give them enough room to be able to stretch, to move, to jump, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is the first book I'll suggest for you. And those of you who are also interested in pattern making for children, this is the simplest, straightforward book for pattern making for kids. Okay, it also walks you through how to take the measurement. Okay, how to take the measurement, and also it gives you simple pattern making for you to make some what do you call it? It talks to you about finishing, fasting, and fabric, and so on and so forth. And let's see how simple one that you can do the pattern and sew for your kids by taking the measurement and so on and so forth. Simple clothes like that, and it walks you through how to do the pattern. Very simple. Okay, even if you haven't made any patterns from scratch before, you can follow this. This is so simple. Okay, and I'll leave the writer and everything in the description box for you, all the books. And as anything, when you're learning, you start from the basics and then you build it up. So from this basics to that and to this, but this one is metrics. Okay, and this one is also straightforward. It gives you more details, and it gives you the, what do you call it? Let me get there. See, it walks you step by step how to sew each and every pattern pieces in the book. It walks you through taking the measurements and all the dresses in this book, how to sew it. So I'm looking for the measurements. You see how simple it walks you through. And yeah. Okay, also showing you how to take the measurement. But as I said, this one is in metrics. And I'm looking for the measure, yeah, from birth to 14 years. I'm looking for the measurements. I think they have the measurement somewhere here. I can't find it. Let's go. Today, because today I'm not sewing. See? Let me look for the measurements and give it to you. There we go. Different. Okay, let me look for the measurements and give it to you. Ay. I should have put a piece of paper in there so it will be easier for me to locate it. Okay, hold on, I'll be back. Okay, there. Here is giving you all the measurements, and this one walks you through how to make coats for kids, both boys and girls. It has a lot. It gives you a lot of information. And as I said, how to make the pattern of what you want. It gives you pictures, so you can look at the picture and make the pattern. And so, and if you don't want to go with these books, as I said, I'll put the names and everything in the description box. I've patterned commercial patterns. Okay, different types. Let's look at the time. Okay, different kinds. I'm gonna start with the boys. Okay, and this is dressing, going to a wedding, so on and so forth. And this is casual. I have so many, but I'm showing you just a few that I have. Nighty and day wear and so on and so forth. And as I showed you last week that I'm gonna be making the boys first, and then we'll go to the men's shirt, and then we'll tackle the pant. The pant is simple. Okay, simple. So we will sew the pant also. Okay. And again, the pattern simplicity is 4760. Simplicity 4760. Okay, I've cut all my pieces. I'm doing the short sleeves. Okay, I'm making the short sleeves, and with the pocket. With the pocket and the lap, excuse me, and the collar. This is the back. Okay, today, as I said, I'm not sewing. Very short and sweet. And what else was I going to talk to you? Something else I was going to talk to you. So next week, I'll start sewing the boys' shirt. Okay, I'll start next week sewing that. So those of you who are interested in children's wear, I hope you will get it and start sewing with me. Okay, and I think this is it. What else was I going to talk to you about? Anyway, I think this is all it for today. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Happy sewing. Bye-bye for now. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello there. I was going to walk you through taking the measurements for the kids, but I don't have the stand, so I couldn't do it. Okay, but as I said, it's just like taking the ladies, or I should say adult measurement. Okay, just that the kids have a tummy. Okay, and you have to give them more allowance for them to move, to jump up and down and play with in their outfit. That's the only difference. So I'll see you next week again. Bye-bye. Thank you.